Hey guys, this is Nicole Domeray here, and I'm going to be sharing something with you called keyboard shortcuts. This is text replacement that you can set up on your phone, whether it's an iPhone or a Samsung. You can go in and create these shortcuts in order to replace your manual typing. And this is going to save you a lot of time when you're scaling your business, and especially when your business starts really taking off. So you want to dig your ditches by getting in there and setting something up that could potentially help you when you have a post or a video that could go viral. Now, if you had 2 or 3 people reaching out to you wanting to know more, it'd be easy enough for you to go in and just type a message. But what if you had 100, 300, 500, or 1,000 people that wanted to learn more? Now, is that possible on social media? Absolutely, especially with like TikTok or even Facebook Reels and Instagram Reels. And this would work across the board on all platforms because it's a special setting inside your phone. So I'm going to teach you quickly on how to find it, how to set it up, and how to execute it in just a few minutes. So let me go ahead and share my screen here and we will get started. Okay, so I'm going to go over and open up this file so you can see a little bit better. Now, I pre-recorded this and I'm going to talk you through this process. Okay, here we are inside of the settings on your iPhone or even Samsung. You go to General, choose General, and now you're going to go down under Date and Time and you're going to choose Keyboard. You're going to come up under Keyboard, see Text Replacement. You're going to choose Text Replacement. And now I just want you to see how many I have. I have so many text replacements for all of my scripts when I'm reaching out, no matter if it's follow-up, new prospects, warm market, cold market. Now you're going to go up in the corner and you're going to choose the plus sign in the upper right corner, and we're going to write out a phrase. But just for the sake of time, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I populated that. That's a C1. One of my phrases for going into comments when people say more info, how, what are you doing? And I named the shortcut C1. Why did I do that? Why did I put a number after it? If I didn't put a number, then it would populate with just that word or that letter. So you want to put something you would never type. So here are my Facebook Reels. We're going to go inside of one of my Facebook Reels, and we are going to comment so you see how this works. I'm going to find someone that's saying, hey, more information, please. And so I'm choosing someone, and with Janet here, I'm just going to type in C1. And if you go to the bottom where it said, you saw right here where it says the actual phrase is going to populate, you click on that or hit space and it brings up your message. And then all you have to do is hit send. And you can do this anywhere. So let me close out of here quickly and go back to my share screen. And stop it. There we go. So I hope that helps. I know that was really fast, so you may want to watch that just a couple of times. But again, let me talk you through this. You're going to go to your phone settings. You're going to choose General. Then you're going to choose Keyboard. From there, you're going to choose Text Replacement. And to create a new text replacement, you're simply going to go in the upper right corner and choose the plus sign. The first thing you're going to enter is the script. So maybe you have your script saved somewhere else. You could copy and paste the script into the first bar. And then in the second bar, you're going to name it. Make sure whatever you name it, it reminds you of it so you can remember the keyboard shortcut and the phrase. So for me personally, if somebody reaches out to me and they want to learn more and I go into their Facebook Messenger, my message that I send them, I've written out the phrase ask one, and I put the number afterwards so it wouldn't populate if I typed in just the word ask, because if I do that and hit space or return, it's going to populate the message. So make sure you're always putting some character that wouldn't ordinarily go with the word to remind you of the word, of course, but then also to keep it from populating when you're writing in text or anything else. So I hope this helps you understand keyboard shortcuts a little bit more. They are incredibly helpful. And I would say they're more than just helpful. They are vital to your business. And if you only have 1 or 2 customers, if you only have, just a couple of business builders or maybe none, dig your ditches early. Go ahead and set that energy and get in there and put those in place so you can start using them as you're reaching out to people. It will scale your time. And if you're standing in line at the grocery store, you're out to dinner with your family and you need to be present, all you have to do is hit a word, a number, and you have the script that you're going to be responding to people with. And it's going to just take the pressure off of you as you're building the business. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or the person that invited you to watch this. And I hope you have an incredible day. Thanks for watching, guys.